Gosh, what a beautiful bike. I bet it belongs to an old bloke. Got style and character, definitely. Oh yeah, there you go, old bloke. Love the panniers. Yeah, I think I'll go for a ride on that.